Okay, let's go through some questions about diffusion and osmosis, okay? What is osmosis? Is it the diffusion of water? Yeah, I think that's true. Does it require a semi-permeable membrane? Yes, remember, semi-permeable, selectively permeable, no difference, okay? Does it use cellular energy? No. So all the above are not true, but 1 and 2 are true. So I'm going with 1 and 2 are true, right? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video, work through it on your own, because I'm going to tell you the answer. Okay, during osmosis, water moves from the hypertonic to the hypotonic. Okay, remember, water, H2O, is the hypotonic one, right? H2O, hypotonic. And if I drop a raisin into a glass of H2O, hypotonic, the water goes into the raisin, so it moves from the hypo to the hyper. Does it move across the semi-permeable membrane? Yes. So 2 and 3. Final answer, yes. Okay. The cell membrane. What's true about it? Pause the video because I'm going to tell you the answer, right? It allows atoms and small molecules to pass through, but not large molecules. Well, there are some really small things like hydrogen ion is just a naked little proton. It can't get through. Sodium is just an atom. It can't get through, right? It does not allow molecules to pass through. That's what proteins are for. Well, that's not true because oxygen can go right through it, right? It allows some things to pass through and not others, even some small things. That's the true one. Do not know why there's a bubble noise on my computer. Okay, a 5% glucose in a bag made of semi-permeable membrane suspended in pure water. Okay. You ever see an exam or a quiz question and there's pure water somewhere? The pure water is always the hypotonic one. So the bag is in pure water, so the fluid inside the bag is hyper and outside the bag is hypo. So the fluid inside the bag is hypertonic compared to the fluid. Question number 1, right? Whenever you got pure water, it's one of the answer. The water's the hypotonic one, unless it's water compared with water, right? Let's see. Okay, I have a semi-permeable membrane with 2.5% glucose. 2.5% glucose is in a bag made of semi-permeable membrane and suspended in a solution of 5% glucose. Okay, so we've got inside the bag. I don't know what it looked like for you, but okay. Okay, so we've got inside the bag. I better change my pen color. Oh, by the way, pause me so you can answer this yourself. Okay, inside the bag is 2.5% and outside is 5%. So which one has got fewer solutes in it? This one has fewer solutes. That makes it the hypotonic. This one is more like pure water. That makes this the hypotonic. So the fluid inside the bag is hypotonic compared to the outside. Yay! Okay. When a cell is placed into a hypotonic solution, I want you to work this out. Okay. That would be like putting a cell into pure water, right? Or putting a raisin into pure water. Okay. So water will osmose into the cell. So that's true. That's true. Now, when the cell fills up with water and ultimately pops, is that called lysis or crenation? Well, you got to memorize that probably. The right answer is lysis. Okay. All righty. Those are some of my questions about osmosis. And the last thing we're going to talk about is active transport. I'll see you on the next video.